I'm sure everyone can guess today's video is about the iPhone 10. Hello everyone. Today we will be doing a quick review regarding the internal comparison of the iPhone 7 Plus versus the iPhone 10 or X, as most people would like to say. So in this video, you'll be able to see the differences between the battery, the camera orientation, also the logic board orientation. You can definitely see how things have been redesigned to certainly match Apple's design aspect to make sure that everything, comes out correctly and seamlessly. So in this picture as well, you can also see the differences between the SIM slot. The things are a little bit different, repositioned between the two devices. Also, this is applicable to the 8 Plus as well. Although the 8 Plus and the 8 hardware is very similar to the 10, iPhone 10's hardware. But of course, you get a different form factor. The iPhone 10 is slightly heavier. That's because of the glass on the back and the front, as well as the dense aluminum. They did use pretty much the same aluminum on this one. But majority of it is definitely built very, very firmly. I wouldn't go dropping it, but, it's definitely very durable. Of course, the wireless charging, you can also see that. You would have to have the back case on the iPhone 10 to certainly see that, as well as the iPhone 8. The iPhone 7 does not have, or the iPhone 7 Plus does not have wireless charging capabilities. But the iPhone 8 and the iPhone 8 Plus and the iPhone 10 as well has definitely the charging capabilities wirelessly. So this has just been a quick comparison of the internal aspects. And this is a video just to, as a comparison for people who are interested in this stuff. I am very interested in it. It's what I'm studying, hardware, software. I mean, anything that's computer oriented, I'll be able to discuss on this channel. Self-driving cars, autonomous vehicles across the board, doesn't have to be cars, Tesla, anything like that. Apple, of course, Samsung. I am a iPhone user and always have been since the original, but this is just my quick review video on the comparisons between the internals of the iPhone 10 or X, the iPhone 7 Plus, as well as the iPhone 8 and 8 Plus. Thanks for watching, and please rate, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any other questions or concerns, I'll be more than happy to answer them in the comments below. And I will be linking both of these devices in the comments as well. Thank you and have a great day.